Naomi Campbell was right. Airplanes are so nasty. An average of 1.7 million people fly per day. So with that high volume of people, you would think that the planes would be cleaned thoroughly between flights, right? No. Meaning that dirt from those people who have really disgusting habits is being left behind. The most for real cleaning on airplanes typically occur every 30 to 45 days.
How, Sway? Take a few steps back.
Let's be clear, removing trash and old magazines is one thing, but wiping down the trays, the seats, the armrests, vacuuming, even washing the blankets and pillows would be nice, right? True story, my girl comedian Nicole Byer recently found an actual piece of poop in her plastic wrapped blanket.
Delta Airlines. I pulled out the blanket out of the sealed plastic bag, open it, a little brown crumble falls on me. I was like, oh me, oh my.
The FAA doesn't regulate or inspect aircraft cleaning, so it's basically up to the airlines to decide how often they're cleaning and how detailed they're going to be. And airlines have absolutely no problem admitting that their aircraft go through only a limited cleaning between flights. All I'm trying to say here is you better watch yourself in those friendly skies.